I do have a passion for, uh, uh, what should I say, IT related things that really, I have a passion for that, right? Okay, so moving on to this MS team. Now, this session, hope so, will be of bit use to you. Like you'll be having your sessions for this till the time online classes are there. On and off, you will be meeting online even during offline sessions. So, how to have a command over it? So the first thing, attendance is the main criteria. Allow me to present my screen to everyone so that I can give you a glimpse of how does it look like. Okay, this is the screen which every faculty will be able to see, right? So we can see how many of you are attending, and if in case I have to, see any particular person, I may go in copying the student and Mr. Shubham Shubh Arora. Can you please turn on your video? So anytime a faculty can ask you to switch on the video and interact with you, right? Okay. Now, second most important thing, as a student, thank you so much. Okay. As a student, every faculty will be able to download your attendance. And as you can see, I can very well see how many students, like I had a lecture with MBA students. So how many of them actually attended the lecture, who were there on time, who left in between, who joined in between. So all your timestamps related to your session attendance is always there, right? So you can see that every faculty will be able to download your attendance. So nowhere down the line student can befool a faculty by saying, "Ma'am, मैं तो class में था, but आपने मेरी attendance नहीं mark करी." Then you need to prove yourself, right? Because we have system generated attendance. Number one. Number two, you must have experienced or you must have seen the videos which were circulated by your program coordinators. Pankaj sir, was this video circulated to everyone as to how to get into
Yes,
Microsoft
madam.
Teams? Where
Yes, madam. I have circulated on WhatsApp.
yeah, so hope so. It might be of some use to every one of you, right? So just a quick recap. I told you that you can join this Teams session using either of this particular tab, Teams or Calendar. Now, before that, for the students who are operating using this laptop, they must be seeing this left panel on their laptop, on their screen. Can you see this left panel?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So there you have this Teams tab, right? So what is there on your Teams wall? You will see all the teams you are part of. I am a member of more than 35 plus teams. So all these teams you can see on my screen. Can you see my teams on my teams wall?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, ma'am.
Yes. So for all those teams I'm member of, I can see these teams on my wall. You can see BBA first 2023 afternoon shift. आपके आगे सिर्फ यही वाली एक टीम आ रही होगी, है ना? Yes, class?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good.
Excuse me, ma'am, I'm not getting it.
You're not getting it.
Not getting it.
No, ma'am.
Okay, are you a guest
Ma'am,
speaker?
actually, some of us have logged in as a guest and we are not
Yes,
part of
ma'am.
Yes.
team yet. We haven't logged in
Yes.
as an ID and password.
So
So that
true.
is why we are not
Yes,
able to see
ma'am.
our teams yet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me tell you, there are three types of users. When I talk about Microsoft Teams, one is the owner, who is actually creating the team, who is the owner of the team. Second one is the member to the team, right? And the third one is the guest user. Now, as the guest user, you can only attend the meeting via link, but you cannot be part of a team, right? So for being part of team, you need to have the same domain ID at the rate bbp.edu.in in this case. Okay, like this
Ma'am,
Dolce
just a
Berry.
doubt. When will we get these IDs? Because
Okay, you must
ma'am,
have
our
taken,
team's IDs.
yes, you must have taken your admission bit late in comparison to others who are having this ID, right? So within a day or two, you'll be getting your email IDs because it takes
So,
time to
ma'am,
create the ID and password, and it will be intimated to you by your program coordinator.
then we will be able to use the team chats.
I'll be telling you each and everything, right?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
God bless you. Okay, moving further. So, in days to come, you'll be having teams like this, wherein you're, I think I was a bit fast. So, like this particular team, BBA 5B, I'm the class coordinator. So, this team names, this is a team which has been created for BBA 5B final year students, right? Where I am the class coordinator. So, team reflects all this information, right? So when you'll be moving into your teams, you will see all these channels created for your subjects and the faculties who are going to teach you. Like for event management, for BBA 5B, I'm taking this example, right? Event management is taught by Miss Anuradha Nan, so her name is there. EFS, that is Elements of Financial Services, is being taken by Dr. Arushi, so her name will be reflecting. And for operations research, I'm taking their subject, so this is reflecting as a channel, right? Now, when you will be getting in days to come, you'll be getting your timetable, right? And as per the timetable, you have to click on to the subject channel. Once you have done that, there will be a wall, which post wall, which will be there before you, wherein links have been or lectures have been scheduled, right? Can you see these blue bands? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this shows that on Wednesday at 11, this particular lecture has been scheduled for operations research by this faculty, right? So similarly for Thursday, and this class is being conducted, excuse me, 4 days a week. So it is Thursday 11, Wednesday 11 o'clock, and as per timetable, Friday 11 o'clock and Monday 11 o'clock. So what will happen? Students are able to see the same wall, and they will be just clicking onto the band, which actually suits as per their timetable. So Monday 11 o'clock, they'll be clicking onto this band, and then they have this option of joining the session. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Moving further, there is an alternative. Thank you so much for your feedback. There is an alternative way to it is that if you go to calendar, okay, because I'm team of 35 plus team, I'm member to 35 plus teams, my calendar is a bit messy. So if you can see at 2 p.m. today, I'll be having this session of operations research. So you'll be having a very neat and clean calendar before you. So you just have to go to calendar and just tap or click onto the option which is there before you, and you have to join it. I'll not join it because this otherwise this meeting will go on hold. Okay. Moving further. Great. Okay. Let it be. Right. Now, for the students who are, who have joined using mobile, for them, let me just help you. You'll be having the same option, but at the bottom, right? So I am part of BBF first. Okay, afternoon shift. This meeting is going on. Okay. Uh, Kushi, can you please mute yourself, Kushi? Thank you. Okay. Where is my session going on? Wait. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. There is some other, meeting which is going on as an online registration. You need to move out. Chitra, can you please mute yourself? Okay, students who have logged in using mobile phone, this must be the screen before you, right? So what you have to do, Ayush Arora 95, your mic is unmuted. Ensure that it is always on mute, okay? I'll be requesting you whenever I want you to give me any feedback, I'll request you and you can unmute yourself. Right. So just next to meeting, there must be a backward arrow. So you can just click on that backward arrow. There will be a wall which says post as the heading, and again there is a backward arrow. Option. You'll be moving on to general wall, which is option as post, files, and more. Again, click on to back. Don't worry, you are not going to be logged out from this meeting, right? At the bottom, you'll be able to see the tabs like activity, chat, team, calendar, calls, and more. Are you able to see that particular option?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
everyone.
Yes, ma'am. But not able to see any.
Chahat, can you be please be loud?
I'm not able to see any option, ma'am.
You're not able. Have you logged in from your mobile phone?
Yes, ma'am. As a
Ma'am, but
guest.
she might be the guest again.
Namita, please give me. No, she's not a guest. She is not a guest. Let me. I'll be giving you an opportunity. Or if you want, you can try taking a lead. And in case need be, I'll be intervening in between. Believe me, that would also be a pleasure.
No,
Seeing
no,
us to.
ma'am. Actually, I myself cannot see it. It's been not long, but my school classes used to sometimes go on Teams. That's the only thing. No,
Right.
no personal things.
No, not at all. And I have not felt bad, Namita. It's good. Chahat, you are a guest user. Okay,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
still, if you just click on back tab onto Teams because you have joined it as a user.
Okay, ma'am.
As such, you'll not be finding yourself being part of any team. Reason behind you are a guest user. Okay, but
Okay.
once only you are enrolled in any of the team, your team name will be there. So if you come back, there will be options in your MS team only. Activity, chat, teams. Are you having those options before you?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ आई ना लेकिन अभी आपके आगे टीम्स रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं होगी बिकॉज यू हैव नॉट
Exactly.
हाँ जी और यू नो ओके चाहत आई थिंक देयर इज सम लक्ष्य कैन यू प्लीज unmute Okay. Again, someone has unmuted.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, your
I am
name.
Krishna Garg.
Anji Krishna, please go ahead.
Ma'am, I am also having no options in my mobile phone in Microsoft
Okay.
Teams.
Are you a guest user? Yes, you are a guest user. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
See, you are a guest user, and if I talk about Krishna Agarwal, can you see he is having this? Okay, he has been enrolled by faculty or program coordinator, right? Whereas you have come using a link. Have you
Yes, ma'am.
joined?
WhatsApp link.
Yes, yes. Your name has not been included. So if you want to see your name, okay. Uh, Krishna, will you be able to present your screen?
Wait,
Should
ma'am.
I make you the presenter?
Hello.
Yeah, Krishna, do you want to present your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for every one of you, you'll be getting to know. Okay. Krishna, now you are the presenter and you can present your screen.
Ma'am, I am having no options in my mobile phone.
No issues. In your mobile phone, you'll be having 3 dots in front of you just before canceling this
Yes, ma'am.
meeting. And there will be an option to share.
Yes, ma'am.
Share your screen.
Wait, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done it.
We are still not able to. Okay, yes, I'm able to see your screen now. Can you just click back?
Yes, ma'am.
Again back.
It's my home screen,
Till
ma'am.
the time you don't see, at the bottom you don't see activity team. Okay, I think you are using mobile data.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is the reason it is going a bit slow. Back करो.
Home screen, ma'am.
आप एक काम करो ये participants वाला list वो दिख रहा है ना आपको ऊपर option
Yes, ma'am.
उस पर क्लिक अब यहाँ से बैक एरो प्रेस करो
Yes, ma'am.
कुछ तो आई थी कुछ तो बता रहा ओ
okay Krishna your network is really very slow so after this session I'll tell you how you'll be this teams will be visible to you
Okay, ma'am.
right
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you got this okay Piyush you have any doubt Piyush single
yes ma'am I am also not able to see the teams
reason dear you are okay let me present my screen and tell you
सेशन तो स्टार्ट हो गया पता नहीं कैसे
okay I request others to kindly put yourself on mute
लिया चालू हो गया
Ritik, we all can listen to you, Ritik. And Ritik, in BBIM, our discipline committee members are very, very, they are very strict. Okay. Ritik, you can mute yourself. Right. Moving further. Teams आपको तभी दिखेगा when you are part of or you are member to teams once the faculty is going to add you as a member of the team only then that particular team will be visible to you but anyhow if in case temporarily if you have to join any meeting that can be done using the this link. In future, I mean for your classes, links will not work because Ritik, this is for the last time that okay, Manya,
Hello, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, I am unable to see the calendar option or raise hand option and the screen sharing option.
Okay.
Right.
Screen sharing will not be there for you because you are an attendee. Screen
Yes,
sharing
ma'am.
is only an option which is available with the presenter. Okay,
Okay.
right. And Ritik, on records, I'm telling you that this is for the last time that your mic is you know going on unmute, right? Next time I won't have any hitch in removing you from this team. Okay, proceeding further. Okay, Manya, if you don't mind, can you please
Excuse me,
tell me?
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to know that when you will be providing the BVIMR emails, then only we will be able to see the Teams chats and all
Actually,
calendars.
that should not take more than a day or two, because
Okay,
once you
ma'am.
are calling yourself only, you
Excuse
are
me, ma'am.
just a minute. Let me complete. Right? I try answering one person and the other just speaks out. Wait for your turn. You can raise your hand. Okay. So yes, your program coordinators are going to provide you with your email IDs and passwords. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Manya,
Thank you.
thank you. God bless. Manya, once you are formally enrolled in a team, then only you will be able to see that teams in front of in that particular wall. Okay.
Oh, ma'am, but I can see the Teams option available here. I am not able to raise my hand and I cannot see the calendar option.
Okay, you cannot raise your hand, then you need to go on Google app. Probably you are
Okay.
using this mobile or
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So go to Google app and after this session, you can just go in for updating your app. After
All
updating,
right.
you will be able to find this option.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. What many questions are there? Let's see. Yes, Umang, go ahead.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear.
Ma'am, I am attending this meeting through laptop, and a few minutes back you told us how to look at the option of viewing the different calendars and etc.
As of
But
now,
I am
date of
unable to.
yes, you are a guest, right? So
Okay.
you have just joined the meeting using link. Your email ID has not been, or you have not been added as a member to this team. Once it is done, you will not be having this particular problem.
Man means it doesn't have any means it is not related to if I am joining the meeting through the mail that I have received. Means then
Okay,
also.
right now you can join through link, but in future for your classes you will not be allowed to do that.
Ma'am, I have joined through the mail that I have received.
So it is through link only, no? Others, what they are doing, who are having this mail ID with the domain as @bvp.edu.in, they can
Okay.
just, through MS Team app or going
Okay,
into
ma'am. Yeah,
Google.
I saw that option. I got that. I got that. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Isha, go ahead.
Ma'am, I have also joined this through the email.
हाँ जी, तो आपके पास भी ये ऑप्शन नहीं आ रही होगी ना?
No, ma'am.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, आ जाएगी. You'll be very soon. You'll be provided with your email IDs and passwords, and using
Yeah.
those credentials, you can easily get into it. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes, Gaurav.
I am unable to see the calendar option.
Gaurav, you are again a guest user, but yes, you have been added as a okay. Why you are not able to? Are you using mobile or laptop?
Mobile, ma'am.
Mobile. Mobile में आप back जाते रहो and at the bottom you'll be finding the options of activity, team, calendar, chat and more.
Ma'am, I can get the activity, chat, teams, calls, and more, but not the calendar.
मोर पर जाओ, उसमें कैलेंडर की ऑप्शन है.
No, ma'am. There is camera, organization, wiki, educlass, and edu staff and saved.
Okay, just wait because you are added as a guest. So might be that after your name has been enrolled with us as a team member, you'll be
Yes,
having all
ma'am.
this facility. अच्छा कैलेंडर में ऑप्शन नहीं आ रही. Wait. What you have to do? Teams पे जाओ.
Yes, ma'am.
वहाँ पर आपके पास 1 मिनट रुकना, बताती हूँ आपको. आप बैक पर गए, एक कैलेंडर में ऑप्शन नहीं आ रही ना.
Yes, ma'am.
सारी आपके पास BCA 1, BBA 1 आफ्टरनून.
Yeah, ma'am. I have the BBA first to 22-23 batch option.
आ रही है ना वो टीम्स आपके सामने आ रही होगी.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
है ना?
ma'am. Only one team I have.
हाँ जी, उसमें आप जैसे नेक्स्ट सेशन आपका है 4 o'clock का आइस ब्रेकिंग सेशन. कैन यू सी दैट
No, ma'am.
पोस्ट वॉल? ओके. Okay, wait. You are Gaurav.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you just tell me your name once again?
Ma'am, it's my email ID is Gaurav Sivach and my name is Gurmeet Singh.
Okay, Gurmeet. I'll be just making you the presenter.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'll tell you how things are to be carried forward. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Do you mind presenting your screen? You are not the presenter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So present your screen.
Is it okay?
It will take a second, but yeah. Gaurav, no, I cannot see it actually. Okay, yes, now I can see. Can
Okay, ma'am.
you, okay, go back.
Yes, ma'am.
Again back. Good. नीचे
This,
आपके पास ऑप्शन आ रही है ना टीम्स की.
yes, ma'am.
नीचे पैनल में टीम्स की ऑप्शन आ रही है. क्लिक ऑन टू इट. गो टू
Clicked.
जनरल चैनल.
Yes, ma'am.
राइट, यहाँ पर आप देखो 4 o'clock का आपका सेशन है, आइस ब्रेकिंग सेशन.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
क्लिक ऑन टू इट.
Yes, ma'am.
गो टू चैट ऑप्शन. अगेन क्लिक ऑन टू दिस कैलेंडर वाला जो चीज बनी हुई है.
Ma'am, it's going to the details again.
Okay, not a problem. ये एक बार 3 dots करो. Problem is that Gaurav, again you are a guest user.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the reason.
Ma'am, my email is not showing the link.
चैट ऑप्शन पर 1 सेकंड रुको. तो आप इतनी जल्दी कर रहे हो. रुको. आप इसके साथ देखना 3 डॉट्स जो बनी हुई हैं बीबीए फर्स्ट के साथ.
Wait a second. Yes, ma'am.
आपके पास वो ऑप्शन नहीं है. प्रॉब्ली एज अ गेस्ट यूजर. अदरवाइज जो गेस्ट यूजर नहीं होते, जिनके पास डोमेन होता है,
Yes, ma'am.
उनके पास ऑप्शन आ जाती है ऐड टू कैलेंडर. ठीक है.
Okay.
ऐड टू कैलेंडर जैसे ही आप करते हो तो आगे से जितनी भी नोटिफिकेशन है वो आपके पास आती रहती है.
So, ma'am, my mail is not showing the link. That's why I'm going through the WhatsApp link.
Yes. Okay. Not to worry. It is just a problem for a day or two.
Okay.
Okay. So now
Thank
you
you,
can stop presenting here.
Thank you.
What?
Ma'am, please can you tell me whether I am a guest or an attendee?
Sure. You are an unknown user to me as of now. What's your name?
Ma'am, my name is Lakshay.
Your name is?
Lakshay.
ये दिविज अरोड़ा कौन है? Divish, can you please unmute? Can you please mute yourself? For those who don't have any doubts, please keep yourself muted. Lakshay, I think you are an external user, outside organization user. So you have just, came in the session using a link.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
So you have not, actually used in this option of filling your credentials using MS or guest. Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking in between.
Kamaldeep and Tushar, this is for the last time. You are unmuting yourself without permission.
Ma'am, unmuted. Ma'am, I unmuted myself for the first time. I
Just
had
a
a doubt.
minute. Just a minute. You'll be
Yeah.
getting ample opportunity. Wait.
Yeah.
Okay. Has to be one by one. So mute yourself. Okay. Yes, Isha, do you have any other doubt?
Ma'am, I haven't received any mail regarding
No,
to
ma'am.
join the
Okay,
orientation or the link.
wait for your turn. Wait for your turn. In case you have any other doubt, you can use this chat option.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Use the chat facility. Okay, Kushagra Goyal.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, I'm also facing the same problem that Gaurav was facing.
See, you all are guest users, so you are a bit deprived people of all the privileges which are actually enjoyed by other members of the team. So have patience, right? Very soon you'll be getting your email, official email IDs, and then you'll be having all those privileges which others are enjoying, right? Okay. So let's see. Lakshya, wait. Kamaldeep, do you have any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, right now, ma'am, when you were showing your screen, ma'am, the screen mirroring was on. Ma'am, actually, my phone got stuck. Ma'am, the screen got stuck, and ma'am, there was no video. Ma'am, only the audio was coming. So, ma'am, then instantly
This is
ma'am,
known as network glitch.
yeah, ma'am. So then instantly I logged from my laptop, and then I didn't quit the meeting, ma'am. If I had to quit the meeting, ma'am, so I would have been logged out, no, ma'am, from the meeting.
Yes, you can leave the meeting if you want.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. So the attendance, ma'am, but
Logged in.
you'll,
By default, you'll be logged in. अच्छा,
ma'am, from the
मेरे
laptop.
visibility will
Yeah, ma'am.
be, there won't be any visibility of yours if in case you
Ma'am,
have logged.
so ma'am, I will be marked absent at that time, no, ma'am. Ki I had left the meeting and then I joined.
Not a problem. These technical glitches, don't you worry. We empathize with you for that matter.
Oh,
We
okay,
know
ma'am.
that if a student is joining back, because we get all the timestamps. We know student is joining back within 2 minutes stamp. So sorry, time span. So it means there has to be a technical glitch because of that. You must have left the meeting. So we
Yeah, ma'am.
empathize with you. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Only this doubt I had. Thank you, ma'am.
Divij Arora.
Ma'am, I joined through the email, but I am not getting the calls option and the Teams option, even the calendar option also.
Okay, because you are a guest user, unprivileged one, remember, deprived of all these facilities as of now, but very soon will be, because you are BVIMR family member now, so very soon you'll be getting your user ID and password. And using those credentials, you will be able to log in and you could, you can enjoy all these privileges.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Please allow. Okay, Juhi, you can just unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was saying that I have joined this meeting according to the email, but I am showing you as a guest only.
Dear, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See, your domain shows @gmail.com, right?
Yes.
See the
Yes,
domain
ma'am.
of wait. Okay, most of you are guest users. Okay. Again, afternoon shift में लगता है आप सारे अभी guest users ही हो. Okay. Can you see domain name of Pankaj sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
@bvp.edu.in. जब आपका
Yes, ma'am.
ये वाला email ID आपका generate हो जाएगा ना, then you'll be enjoying all the privileges of a member.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, in my Microsoft Teams app, I am not showing. It is not showing any calendar option.
You're a guest as of now, so you are just a spectator and an audience for
Yes,
us,
ma'am.
right?
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, till when I will get all this?
Should be. Program coordinator will look into it, right? And most likely it will be in a 2 or 3 days. You'll be receiving your email IDs. Pankaj sir, are you there with us? Pankaj sir? Okay, not a problem. Right? So Juhi, don't you worry. You'll be receiving your credentials very soon.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
madam.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Pankaj sir, they all are having a common doubt that by what time will they receive their email IDs with domain as @bvp.edu.in?
Ma'am, I think it will take some days, right? 3 to 4 days might be, and more than that. I have spoken to Deepa ma'am,
Okay.
who's looking after this thing, right? So they have to bear with us, and it is a matter of only few days. Okay,
Okay.
students.
So if 3-4 days are said, it is maximum time span. It won't take that much of time. Actually, the administrator for this MS team is there in head office, that is Pune, right? So we have to collaborate with them to get your email IDs and passwords generated. So don't you worry, you'll be getting it. But meanwhile, there won't be any problem in attending these sessions because your program coordinators have been very cooperative. They have provided you with the link. So that won't be a problem for you to attend your session. Okay. Yes, Chahat, what's your doubt here?
Ma'am, my doubt is today I joined this meeting with my phone because I faced some problem by logging the meeting in my laptop. So the
Okay.
problem is with Nancy ma'am, I've shared all the things. These are the problems. So for today, I've joined it with my phone.
Not,
Sorry.
not a problem.
No, ma'am, it's okay just for today. But because on my Gmail ID, I was receiving mails for the
Mhm.
morning batch.
Okay.
Like 8 to 8:30, 9 to.
So there must be an option also if you do not want such notifications, you can click onto this particular link. कुछ ऐसा मेल में दिया होगा ना?
नहीं मैम ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. It was just मेरे को जो mails आई थी that was not regarding the afternoon batch. It was regarding the morning batch. So I faced a lot of problems. That's why today I have logged in by guest, not with my email ID. So I was just here to ask that from tomorrow onwards, maybe I'll not face these problems.
Give me a minute, dear. Hello? Hello? Good afternoon, ma'am. Then, नहीं मुझे नहीं बताया. I was waiting. नहीं, I was waiting till 2 o'clock. I had this session with BBA afternoon. Right, I am in between the session. Not a problem. I'll be scheduling it 5 minutes prior to it. Okay? हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
मेरी भी है क्या चाय?
नहीं, चाय किसी की नहीं है अभी.
मेरे
सिर्फ
लिए भी
पढ़ने.
बनाई थी चाय.
नहीं, चाहत किसी के लिए अभी चाय नहीं बनेगी.
Ma'am, it's not me.
Okay. So always remember, whenever you are there on online platform, your background surroundings. Having said that, I received a call that was official call, and I forgot to mute myself. So having said that word, I really apologize for not doing the same. I could have muted myself and could have had official call also. So Saksham, yes, what is your doubt? So that quickly, because we are running short of time, I have not covered all the points.
Yes, ma'am. If we will not be able to attend the session, then where can we watch the recording?
I'll tell you everything. That is all part of this agenda, and I'm left with only 8 minutes. So kindly bear with me. And if in case you have any doubts, now you are supposed to write it in the chat box. Okay. So I want everyone to be on mute so that quickly I cover all the points. And If you have any doubts, and Pankaj sir, in case you think anything is related to the topic which is going on, you can just interrupt in between, so that there is only one person who is unmuting, and rest everyone has to be on mute, right? The next option for you is one is Teams and calendar, that how you can enter into the sessions, how you can actually go in for attending the subject lectures. The next point which I would like to cover is this activity, right? This activity or feed helps you in letting that what all or where have you all been, tagged. Like your Facebook account, whenever you are tagged, a notification is there. So similarly for this feed, like Mr. Chaube, he added me in BCA one semester afternoon shift. Even Ashima ma'am, she has added me in some or the other group. So it is known to me now. Notifications are there for that. Number one. Number two, that I'm part of this particular team. Number two, if in case your faculty ask you that there are certain there will be sessions your faculties will be asking you to post your solutions in the chat box, right? So what you have to do, okay, this is the chat box option, right? So using this chat box, you can actually you cannot rename your name. Who is this naughty student? You cannot rename your name. This is the official email ID which has been created with your name, and could be changed with your ERP IDs, which are the unique IDs which will be given to you in coming days, right? But your name is essential to be part of this BVM or teams, any of the class teams, right? So moving further, now like
Excuse me, ma'am.
occasionally, please, any concern of yours has to be put in the chat box, right? So if you cannot see the option to raise your hand, you need to, if you are operating your mobile phone, it has to be your mobile MS Team app has to be updated using Play Store, right? And if you are operating on laptop, see there is an option just next to three dots. There is an option of showing this hand. So once you click onto this option, your hand is raised. You again click onto this option, you can lower down your hand. Right, Raghav? Okay. So, like, just to give you a glimpse, I am taking class for MBA 3, right? And I do, tell my students whatsoever solution, this is the operations research subject. So whatsoever questions are there, I tell them that they have to के साथ individual chat ही चलता है एक मिनट. So I do let them for BBA 5, just to give you a glimpse, I do tell them that you can share your solution. So what they do, those who are done with the question, they immediately share this, they send their solution to me. And how it is done? Using this chat option, right? So in this chat window, whatsoever, when you are done with the solution, still can't find it, ma'am. Okay, Raghav, you can unmute yourself and let me know. Are you using mobile or are you using laptop?
Ma'am, I'm on mobile phone and I can't see
Okay.
this raise hand option.
Okay, okay. Just next to canceling the phone, there there must be three dots,
Yes, ma'am.
right? In three dots, if you are not finding this option, you need to go to Google app, Google Play Store, and you need to update your app.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, after this, this particular option will be there. Okay, now, thank you, Raghav. Okay, so, this chat option, right? So if in case I want anyone to put any chat, or anyone like you are putting your messages in the chat, this can be viewed by everyone. But if I want to send a message, I also ask my students to send me their solutions on my personal chat, right? So they do it, and I can see their solution individually without other members in the group knowing that what is the solution all about. Do remember, when you are writing anything in the chat box, there is an administrator who is having all the controls, what is being done in the Microsoft Teams, what kind of images are being uploaded, what all content is being put on your you know this MS Team. So administrator can is having all the rights to view what you people are doing, right? So please be careful and vigilant of all the activities you are having on this chat group, right? Next is the files option, which we have not discussed. Files is basically whenever I want to, so it's there in this particular group, right? Can you see this class material folder? Now in BVIMR, what we do, we have actually, the management and faculties are very much concerned about, they are very much concerned about the students. So what they are doing, they are compiling notes for you and making course packs for you, which will be provided by each subject faculty for their subject. Now this particular course pack is being uploaded on the files tab. If you can see, it is being uploaded by the subject faculty. Like I'm taking this subject operations research, I have uploaded this course pack for my students in this particular channel. So students can anytime download, or if in case they want to upload any assignment, they can also do that. Okay. Now, this is the files option. Yes. Now there was a concern that if you are recording this session, how we will be able to browse these sessions which are recorded, and believe me, they are recorded for students only, so that you can recap the sessions in case of any technical glitch. You can anytime it will help you to recapitulate all the topics which have been done in the session. So there are again two alternatives for that. One is your you can just go into browser and type MS Stream. You can log into this particular, in this particular browser by signing in with your credentials, which are again ID and password, which will be given to you by the institute, right? Okay, mine is already there. And I can, search for all these sessions which are taken by, let's say you are my students and you want to see sessions which are conducted by Dr. Bhavna. So see, I'm teaching this subject operations research. So is my screen visible to everyone? One of you can unmute.
Yes, ma'am, it is
Yes, ma'am.
visible.
You're clearly
Okay,
visible.
mute yourself. Thank you. On 7th July, I have taken this session on Introduction to Operations Research, and this 38 minutes recording is there. Similarly, 7th July. But do remember, this is always MMDD YY format which it follows. So it is July 9th, 2020 when I took this particular session on operations research. Okay, so it will be telling you. I'll not be, boring you with this all lectures. Okay, the second alternative before you will be, but that is only available when you will be logging in with this browser in Google search engine. If you are writing MS Team and logging with your browser, there will be this 9 dots. Okay. Right. So when I'm using the browser version, there are these 9 dots. So you can simply go into it, and there is Outlook. See, whenever an organization is providing you with an email ID, you need to have an email account also. So this will be your official email account. Moment you click on to Outlook, it will redirect you to your official account, email account. And for the teams you are part of, you can see all the recordings, right? Is my screen visible? So because I'm part of 35 teams, I can see all these recordings. Okay. I hope so. Chirag Chopra, can you please mute yourself? Okay. So you can just check out these videos which have been recorded for you. Okay. Pankaj sir, may I please request you to download the attendance for this session?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Saksham, what is your doubt?
In the chat, it's written that chat in channel meetings is only available to team members.
Because you are a guest user, no? So I told you that you are deprived
Okay.
of many facilities which
Okay.
is there for the members, right?
Okay.
So once you're a member, you'll be having that privilege also.
Sure, ma'am.
So that is it from my side. May I be permitted to leave, sir? Pankaj sir?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for a lovely session. It was very much informative. I hope students, most of the doubts now clear to you.
If in case you have any doubt, I would request Pankaj sir to add me to the group, and in case or he can share my contact details with you. So you can just write down your concern to me. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Now you have to leave this meeting
Thank you, ma'am.
and join another.
God bless you. God bless you all.
Ma'am.
Okay, bye. God
Thank
bless
you,
you.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
God
Thank
bless
you,
you.
ma'am.
Good day ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, can we leave and join next meeting?
Yes, yes, please.